excited actually. I think the Pilates Festival is like something that is really, really needed here because it's going to be 3 days of absolutely like, first of all, fun. There's going to be fitness, there's going to be community, and I think that concept is something very new but very, very needed in India right now.
Yeah. So I would just want to say that, like she said, first of all, it's going to be a lot of fun. Besides just Pilates, we have a lot of fun activities. We have beach volleyball, we have
God.
beach cricket, we have a cooking competition, we have a treasure hunt, and we also have a lot of amazing classes like aerial Pilates, cardio Pilates, which is on a trampoline. We have motor, which is a moving foam roller. We have different,
It's basically everything and anything. Like I feel like in 3 days' time, whoever is going to be there, I mean, especially if you take your friends or a group, and even if you don't, and you just go and meet new people, you'll come back changed. In 3 days, there's a lot you can do, and you can really actually change your body and change your composition in 3 days. So imagine coming back fitter, better, happier, full of energy. Your skin will be glowing. You would have met new people, and you'll get kind of interaction as well, and training from international trainers.
Yeah.
I love the fact that there's cooking because a lot of the times, like you need to also complement your fitness with good food and nutrition, and that is exactly it's covering a lot of things. So I just hope there's another one. It doesn't only happen once a year. I feel it should be happening. But she might just go mad. I can understand, like, 'cause she's working so hard on it right now. So I can just imagine if she had to do this three times a year.
We actually started planning this one 10 months back.
Yeah.
So we found the place, the perfect place. We are also doing like a towel workout on the beach, which is
Wow.
very, very new. The
So
Fletcher,
good.
which
Oh my
we love.
God.
So, we're doing a lot of stuff.
And it's taking you out of the studio, which we're so used to, like, out of here and going to the gym and everything. But you're going outdoor now, which is a great way to like work out.
And you're working out with people who are all into fitness. So also I'd like to tell you that it's not only for people who do Pilates. It is for newcomers who've never done Pilates. It is for people who practice Pilates. It is for people who are already teaching Pilates as well. We have like everybody who's coming, and we have different groups that are working out with different people
Nice.
of different fitness levels. So we are trying to do a lot. We also have workshops for instructors who are coming who teach Pilates so that they can learn something new. So we're trying to do a lot. It's taken 10 months, so I don't think we can do three.
Come on.
I think my team might just leave me if I make them do more.
And you make
But
them
hopefully, I think this is our third one. And it's been very smooth because, with the first two, we knew what not to do and what new to add. So I think every time that you do it better and bigger.
And I think like this time we're expecting about 100.
Where we already have 100 sign-ups. So.
Yeah, so that's gonna be insane to work out with 100 people. It's gonna be so much fun.
Okay, as we all know, you both have immense numbers of followers, and all wanted to know what's your secret of fitness. Also, how flexible are you? Because you both are very flexible, as according to the fans and.
What's the secret to fitness?
Consistency, regularity,
Just-
enjoying what you do.
Yeah.
Find a work form of exercise that you actually really enjoy doing. Don't just do something because you saw Jackie do it or me do it or your friend do it. Do something because I can guarantee you whatever we do, we love doing. So whether it's we're
Absolutely.
doing aerial, whether we're jumping, there are times we don't feel like doing something and we don't do it because the happiness quotient is something that will make fitness your journey and not just a destination. So if you enjoy what you
Absolutely.
do, you're going to make it a lifestyle. It's going to be with you for the rest of your life. So I think for both of us, like when I met Jackie, I was like, hey, I know you're really fit, but there's this new form of workout that I've been doing, and I think you'll absolutely love it.
And that's why I was like, yes, I'm on. Like, because she knows I used to do pole, I do gymnastics, stuff like that. So she's like, and of course, like I've reached a level at where I'm just like, I want to go higher. I want to challenge myself now. So what else can I do that's not going to bore me? And, like I've been doing the same thing over and over again. And then she was like, oh, we have this thing called aerial Pilates. I was like, aerial Pilates? Like I've never heard of aerial Pilates. Like, so, and then we started doing like aerial Pilates, and now it's like this whole new, like, so you keep upgrading yourself. I think that's also important. Don't stick to the same stuff over and over again. Keep upgrading your workout. So you just feel yourself getting stronger, better. Have a good trainer. Honestly, that for me has been a game changer because it's your trainer that actually can upgrade you. It's very, very difficult because our knowledge is not as good as theirs. So
Because we're always studying.
exactly,
Yeah.
they're like they're
Always
in it,
studying.
So invest in a good trainer. It'll get you amazing results. Yeah.
Okay, as you motivate many people for the fitness, what is the one thing that motivates you for the fitness?
What
Jacqueline?
motivates me? Better energy, better skin, better sleep. Like honestly, all of these things. It's not about like physically how I'm looking, because like I've been there. I've done that. I've worked out and I've got my abs and I've done all these like things for and done it for songs and gotten the definition on my legs but I realize what actually is much more valuable that that comes out of fitness is you sleep so well. You wake up better. I hate waking up bad. I wake up better. I have energy throughout the day. Okay, and I mean, for us, for anyone in our line of work, it's like you need to be on it. Otherwise, you could lose out. So I have energy throughout the day, and also you just look at this one. Look at how she looks. I
Always
mean, like,
gorgeous.
always so hot, man. Like, so this is my goal, So I'm gonna like hang out with her now, keep coming over, eating her food.
Okay, we can also say that Yasmin man motivates you.
Absolutely, yeah, she
Yeah.
does though. She inspires me, more than she inspires me.
So what motivates me is at 50, I have more energy than I did when I was 20.
Wow.
And that just feels great. I feel much better. I feel more energetic, healthier. I think my skin's better than it was at 20. I just have, like, I wake up in the morning and I'm ready to go, and I go to bed and I'm ready to sleep. So it's, everything.
She's ever ready.
Yeah, I'm ever ready. And at the same time, I work really, really hard, but I even party really, really
Oh
hard.
yeah, she's a great
So
life.
yeah.
She
So
actually, her quality of life is amazing because she's consistent and she's disciplined in what she does in her workout and her fitness. So she parties like, she rages more than like an 18-year-old. Like, I'm just like, yes, I'm so tired. How do you need? She's like, come on. Like, I was like, where are you getting this? I don't even have this energy. Like, seriously, like, so her quality of life is amazing. And that's what's important. So that is, I mean, a great motivator for fitness. But yeah, it's crazy. Can't compete with her.
Okay, Jacqueline, on professional front, very soon you have already started for the attack, and it's the fourth film you have with John.
Yes.
So how excited are you, and how's the shoot going on?
Oh, it's been going amazing. We've been shooting nights right now, so it's like been pretty exhausting. But like so far, it's shaping up to look really good. It's a fantastic script. We can't wait. We've just started the film, but we can't wait for August for it to release.
Wow.
And of course, like I mean, working with John as well. He's again someone who's super fit. So we again bond on everything, like just from like to food to fitness to workouts to tips and all of that stuff. And he's I think doing an amazing.
It's your fourth film.
And it's my fourth film with him, so it's like it's literally like we come on set and we just have like a great time and we're continuously laughing and like, but at the same time, obviously, Attack is a very very action heavy film, so there's gonna be a lot of hard work going into it as well.
Okay, lastly, any message you'd like to give Yasmin man?
My message is
the
always
president.
consistent. Be fit because you deserve it.
Woo! I love that. See you guys at the Pilates Festival, February 20 to 23rd.
20th to 23rd.
And this time it's in Kerala, so that'll be amazing. So yeah, guys, come on, stay fit because you deserve it.
Yeah.
Thank you,
All right,
thank you,
great.
pleasure.
Thank you,
Okay,
guys.
thank you so much.
Yeah, exactly.
Do it.
My son has
That's
said
good.
hearts for her. He's been crazy about you since last 4 years when he was
old is your son?
16.
Oh,
16 is a
I
lot.
know why. Because when Aladdin or that Chitya Kalyan set must have released, he must have been in that very impressionable 10 years. And yeah.
He's saying hearts for her. I said, I'm with Jacqueline right now.
Oh,
It's
say
so
hi.
cute.
I know.
16-year love is good.
Yeah, I know exactly.
It's like
I like these like really nice innocent fans,
More than fan, actually.